So the Mopar Ram 1500 Lowdown concept is a really cool concept, and it's really taking a different approach to designing the truck. It's slamming the truck down to the ground and giving you this kind of urban street appearance. So the production parts that we have available for the Lowdown are the rear bed tonneau cover that's finished in body color, so that's available in production. We have a 22-inch wheel that we upfit in our accessory catalog. The hood is a concept statement, and we're working really hard to get that into market. The cold air intake is a really cool device. So it is a production part that's available, and there is a horsepower increase when you add this Mopar cold air intake to this Lowdown concept that we have. So the Ram 1500 Rebel concept is a really unique theme. It's geared towards the off-road enthusiast. There's a bunch of really cool accessories that are in market today. The 18-inch beadlock wheel is available, off-road running board, the rear bed step, the all-weather mats on the interior. The Ram bar is in market. It also has the 4.5-inch off-road lights. We have 5 of them mounted to the Ram bar. And there's on the interior, we have a switch that activates these. There's a Mopar hood that we're developing. It's a concept at this point. There's a tire carrier out back that accommodates the oversized 35-inch tire and the beadlock wheel. It's a 5-inch Mopar exhaust tip. It's a dual wall tip design. I think we're hoping we get a reaction of jaw-dropping reaction and like, I gotta have these parts and I gotta make my truck look like this.